When building an app that uses location services like this, there are a number of events that happen in the app lifecycle in addition to the usual activity lifecycle events. Let's take a look at the entire set of events one by one and specify what we need to do in each. First, of course, is the onCreate method. We've implemented this already. And this is called when our activity is created. In this, we set up the Google API client. And we tell it to use location services and the location of the callbacks to call when stuff happens on the client. Once onCreate has done its thing, the app will start running. And because we're using asynchronous callbacks on the Google API client, more functions are going to fire while the client is running. So immediately after onCreate, Android calls the onStart activity. And in this, we will tell the Google API client, again, to start connecting to location services. Depending on the relationship between the client and the location services, one of three things will happen. If it connects successfully, the Unconnected callback will fire. We'll look at this in a moment. If it fails, the onConnection failed will fire. If it was previously connected, but something has gone wrong with the connection, causing it to suspend, then the onConnection suspended will fire. You need to implement all three of these functions or your app won't compile. So be sure at the very least to put a logging line in the ones that you don't want to write detailed code for yet. For example, the onConnection failed and the onConnection suspended. Now let's look at Unconnected. In this method, we'll create a new location request object. We'll set its priority, we'll set its interval, and then we'll start requesting updates from location services. We'll see what that code looks like in a moment. Now, when the location services see a new location for the device, they will then give a callback to onLocationChanged. And this will give you a location object. This object you can parse for details about the location, such as the latitude and longitude.